Hello everyone, let's see what are we going to do here. You have to just tie them in this way and get them tuck up in this manner, and further what you need to do, you have to just get it done in this way. Cool, right? And then secure it beautifully. Now just get it in this manner. Further you need to do the partitions, and then with the help of the beautiful accessories and clutches you need to decorate your hair further like this, and then securing it in this way. Cool, isn't it? Now here you need to make the heart shape pattern, and then you have to secure it beautifully in this way, and then this is gonna look damn pretty. These hairstyles are very much beautiful, and your short hair will gain volume as well, and it is gonna just appeal to the viewers there. Now here you need to just make the beautiful patterns as we have shown here, and then join them together and make a net shape pattern. Further take it to the other side and get a roll as well. Beautiful bun, isn't it? I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our different and beautiful hairstyles. We will be back with other videos. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you guys.